Hello children, welcome once again to this class. Today I will discuss about the blood clotting process, which is also known as coagulation. Wherever there is a cut in our blood vessel, the blood will escape, the blood will flow out, but soon there is a clot formed at the site of wound or at the site of injury. Otherwise, if the bleeding continues, the bleeding can even lead to the death of a person. So, in this blood clotting process, there are few steps. First of all, the platelets at the site of wound will release a chemical which is known as thrombokinase or thromboplastin or factor X, which converts the inactive prothrombin into thrombin. This conversion is helped by the presence of calcium ions, but the production of prothrombin is largely dependent on the presence of a fat-soluble vitamin, which is vitamin K. Now this active thrombin, what will it do? It will convert the soluble fibrinogen, which is already there in the blood plasma, into insoluble fibrin. In fact, this insoluble fibrin is the solid thread which forms a network along with other cells, and this network shrinks and squeezes from the plasma, and the plasma becomes very clear and it is now called serum. So this solid network will become the solid mass, and which is actually the clot. So clot is formed, now the bleeding will stop. So this is the blood clotting process. The platelets will release thrombokinase. Thrombokinase will convert the inactive prothrombin into thrombin in the presence of calcium ions, and production of prothrombin is largely dependent on the presence of vitamin K, and this active thrombin will convert the insoluble fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin, and this insoluble fibrin is the solid thread which forms a network along with other cells, and this network shrinks and squeezes out from the plasma. The plasma becomes very clear and is now called as serum, and this solid network turns into the solid mass, which is the clot. So the clot will be formed at the site of wound or injury, and the bleeding will stop. So this is the process of blood clotting or coagulation. So I end this topic here, and we'll come back again with some other important topic in my next videos. Till then, goodbye and wish you all the best. Thank you.